Boom! Back again, you see me? DJ Dreadbeard.
This is Vybz Kartel, and on behalf of the promoters and myself, I'd like to apologize to the people of Costa Rica for not being able to be at the show tonight. Now, we know it was a very well anticipated event, but it was something that the promoter and I tried assiduously to solve, but to no avail. But we are working closely in seeing how we can best resolve the problem. But until then, Costa Rica, look out for Vybz Kartel in the future. That is the greatness.
Mavado, you have just ruined my bank holiday weekend, because what do you mean your show is cancelled? Sorry. Explain to me why it's cancelled. Why does the email not say anything? I remember when you were here last year, I came to see you in Croydon. It was a 10 out of 10. I wanted that experience again, but in a proper venue where you could actually get a drink. Croydon was ghetto as hell. But honestly, why is it cancelled? Because there was nothing, no reason. Last time you had your show in Nottingham, it was rescheduled because of illness. This has just been cancelled. Why is it cancelled?
Tu-lox. What question will you say you want to ask me?
Question. Where is Macka Diamon now after she carry her career go dash her over TikTok?
Oh, see area?
See me a drunk come near me out.
Tu-lox, what the requirement for run TikTok?
All I have to do is up me mouth, get angry, and tell somebody say them lick out body.
Come suck out my body hole.
It doesn't require talent for cuss.
Twins of twins, boy, you know I'm not carrier. You're bright, no blood clot. You fuck Batman.
Tu-lox, are true?
I would have never put myself in such a weak position.
Look what Batman no got the show for. Look what Batman go the money. Go suck your mother.
Macka, what you suck your mother business?
Suck your mother. Again, I suck her 20 million times.
Show me and Minro.
Boy.
Macka, you know sometimes you have to wonder about you.
Don't wonder about me. Cause me not carry me, I'm a pussy.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Ja, no, I have to laugh, Macka Diamond and tu-lox. But anyway, before we talk about that, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe and like the video. Give thanks. So, Vybz Kartel confirms that the show really cancelled, because first he put out a video right as him land at Costa Rica and find out say, yo, the promoter now have the right documents for him perform, so he put out the video.
Costa Rica, I'm leaving. Sorry, the promoter didn't get the permit, so there will be no show. So I'm out.
So after he put out the video there, people still had to wait for a miracle for hear say, yo, him getting documents, him getting proper work permit. And is a immigration/work permit document. You see me? Him have to get him work permit for performing at the people in country. And it's an immigration issue. Him can go in the country, but him can't perform. But another that him go to the country for. Him never go there for vacation. Him go there for perform. So that's why him say, yo, the show cancel. But the promoter, they still a try for work out something. Because them done build up the stage and everything. Mic check at the stadium and everything, you know. So a whole heap of money that, you know. But Vybz Kartel also say, yo, him getting money already. So I just the people in Costa Rica him feel it for. You see me? Alright, so I'm going to go on a little insight what really go on. You know what I mean? Say insight, informative and entertainment. So I'm going to go on a little insight and I'm going to credit Global Star for the translation of what really take place over there. Because you know we don't speak Spanish. I have only for bilingual Gaza fans and all kind of fans where I go translate what go on in the newspaper, what go on in the tabloid for them social media platform, you see me? So here what really take place.
Kartel himself surprised his followers with a video from one Santa Maria airport, announcing that he would not be able to perform. In the message posted on Instagram, he directly blamed the event promoter for not having the necessary permits for his entry and stay in Costa Rica. Costa Rica, I'm leaving. I'm sorry, the promoter didn't comply with the permits. So there will be no concert, the artist stated, setting off alarm bells among his audience. However, the singer's version was almost immediately rejected by the local production company. Bryce Poveda, spokesperson for the organizing team, categorically denied that the concert was canceled. It's just an immigration issue. It's being resolved with the lawyer. We're already asking Kartel to take down the video, he told La Nacion newspaper. For his part, Public Security Minister Mario Zamora confirmed that he is being denied entry into the country due to a lack of permits to perform a public performance. The artist did not have the required documentation, So immigration authorities proceeded to detain his entry.
Again, big up Global Star for the translation, you see me? So yeah, that's how I really go on. Immigration issue / the work permit. So the promoter really feel in that situation, you see me? Anyway, we have Mavado also have a cancelled show, but Mavado and Vybz Kartel cancellation are two different things. Vybz Kartel cancellation, you can see the whole stadium sell out and the people are ball for Vybz Kartel, you see me? Mavado cancellation is low ticket sale, and this is the second time. Last year Mavado say yo him sick and one show have to postpone. This year them just say yo it cancel for no reason. Nobody not giving a reason, you see me?
Mavado, you have just ruined my bank holiday weekend, because what do you mean your show is cancelled? Sorry. Explain to me why it's cancelled. Why does the email not say anything? I remember when you were here last year, I came to see you in Croydon. It was a 10 out of 10. I wanted that experience again, but in a proper venue where you could actually get a drink. Croydon was ghetto as hell. But honestly, why is it cancelled? Because there was nothing, no reason. Last time you had your show in Nottingham, it was rescheduled because of illness. This has just been cancelled. Why is it cancelled?
January last time the little cat here found out and get Alkaline show a 4 out of 10. Them nearly kill her on the internet, and now she forward and I say yo Mavado what go on? Last year you say you're sick, see there? Mavado postpone UK show due to illness, and that 22nd of July 2024. So that last year, and now this year it just cancel. No reason. Nobody don't know why it cancel. It just cancel. But people when that check out the ticket sales them see say the ticket them never ever sell. And if you look in enough comment section, you see people say yo low ticket sale why it cancel this time. And I guess a low ticket sale why it cancel last year too. But Mavado just use craft and say yo him sick. You see me? Yeah, I know this year him can't use but the same craft and say him sick. So them just cancel it. Mavado ticket cancel in London at the O2 Saturday May 10, 2025. So I that go on. Two of the giant them show cancel, but for two different reasons. Vybz Kartel, immigration and work permit issue. Mavado, low ticket sale. You see me?
Question. Where is Macka Diamond now after she care for her career got dash over TikTok?
Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy, I wanna live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out my butthole. But career, you have none? You not have no blood clot career, have ton blogger. Come suck out the butthole. You're gonna win more than me? Hey, dirty boy. Me don't need none of you. Come tell me about my career, come and fuck nobody.
Yo, wanna do know say the twins of twins, them live for them moments, alright? And I know them I do them something and I don't know artists are custom, and I remember say the man them niche Afi talk like people, use them voice and then diss them in a them own voice, make them say some things and make them look stupid while they use them voice, you see me? Use rounded voice, rounded and them in a trouble. Them use Muta voice one at a time. When them just start use Muta voice, Muta never like it, you see me? And then Muta just start work with it. So them been used to a trouble artists and artists I diss them back. It look like them get a rise out of it, you see me? But I don't really they have a talk about if them wrong or right, or if Macka shouldn't go so hard and all of that, you see me? What I really have to talk about is the ratings I really have a tu-lox still now. It kinda diminish away, you see me? You see from him go talk about the termite them. First him a talk about termite, this the termite them, until him go interview one termite. That's from him interview the termite. I say yo, him just there like every other vlogger, just do it for the content. Him no mean what he must say. I just for likes and views, you see me? Because first, you know, him a tell about termite, which my definition of termite if say you live a Clarendon and you go talk to one girl at Portland. The girl at there Portland, the whole of your community run through her. You gotta know a Portland from Clarendon and take her up as a wife. You don't know so the whole community run through her, you see me? She act like a wife while she a termite, while she a wood rat. You see me, and him a teach you how to navigate through them woman them. Make sure say them are not termite. Make sure say you know them background, you see me? So he move from that kind of teaching to the young youth themselves, watch out for the termite them, until him go pick pan Goldie, that a fat pum pum Goldie, which is a porn star, and then go pick pan Gate Teaser. Me now comment and say yo bro, Gape teas and gold them wouldn't classify as a termite, you know. Them a porn star, you know. Them are automatically termite, but that's another definition where you teach. You see me, them are porn stars, so why you go at them? Leave the porn star them alone, man. You see me? And till it reach the point where the man start interview them. So it would have come like say, footer hype every day. I bun the fish them. Till one day him go interview one fish and say, him want to know how the fish them think. Him want to know what it's like for the fish them I do them nastiness. That's exactly what go on with tu-lox and the termite them, you know. When him go interview the girl, what's her name? Cute Boss? Or something like so.
The first position I'm going to start with is a backers.
Yeah.
Because I have couple man well. When I ask me for my bottom.
Yeah, Cute Boss name. So remember when Cute Boss go viral and about 2 weeks later a tu-lox a interviewer. You see me? So tu-lox start out a beat termite until him start interview termite. And as me say, me not classify them woman as termite. Termite are the one them where act like a wife or act like a girlfriend and them a name out your pocket. A name out your pocket like termite. That's what they get from the whole termite concept at first, you see me? So it would have been like Serpy will start out to tell about criminal and some old criminal until him just switch up and start talk about Vybz Kartel and them things. So at the same thing going right. So I just content and which part of the money there. As me say, when the man Goldie them a go at it, Goldie them even a laugh and I say, oh, a twins of twins send the whole of the fans them over the car. Everybody in our comment section I say, twins of twins send me here. Twins of twins make me know you. So him just make Goldie them and the whole of them people that get famous by a talk about them, you see me? And now him and Macka Diamon a go at it. And as me say, them used to them something here. Them love them something here. If you had this artist and a talk like artists and them artists a go at it. But now with them on social media, you go hear when the artists them a diss them. You see me? Back in the days, them probably used to diss them and we don't know about it. 1 and 2 we would have hear about, like Rounded and them man they would have hear about. You see me? But I know he must say how Macka have no career. And we see Cardi B run out with a Macka Diamond song. So that does really say, yo, the Cardi B, them, the Nicki Minaj and all of them top artists that them a watch where I go on and know I go on in the Jamaican space. You see me? So that's Cardi B. I make tu-lox, you know, and say, yo, Macka Diamond career big. Cardi B even know the little sound effects and she move her and they say, yo, we reach the end there, man. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and maybe you're gonna like up the video.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.